This is an example of what we call a complex fraction. It's a fraction that within either the numerator or denominator, we have another fraction. Here in this instance, the numerator of this overall fraction contains the fraction 2/5. That's a relatively complicated fraction. And what we'd like to do is we'd like to simplify it. That's what we do with complex fractions. We try to simplify them. And the technique we use is to eliminate the interior, what I like to call the interior fraction. That's this interior fraction 2/5. And the one way that we can do this when we have values that are all numbers is we can think of the outside fraction as being a division. Because remember, that's what that horizontal line can also indicate. It can indicate a fraction, but it can also be viewed as indicating division. So what we'll do with this fraction, this complex fraction, is we will rewrite it as a division problem. We'll rewrite it as 2/5 divided by 12. Now we can simply perform that division as a way of simplifying that original complex fraction. Well, remember, when we divide, the divisor, we take its reciprocal. And remember, 12, the whole number 12, can be thought of as 12 over 1. So we take the reciprocal of that divisor, which would be 1/12, and we multiply it times the first fraction. So when it comes to dividing fractions, we take the reciprocal of the second fraction, the divisor, and turn the problem into a multiplication. Now remember, when we're multiplying with fractions, before we actually multiply, we try to reduce as much as we can. And 2 and 12 both share the common factor of 2. 2 divides into 2, leaving us an answer of 1. 2 divides into 12, leaving us an answer of 6. And now that we've done all the reducing we can do, we multiply what's left to get our answer. 1 times 1 will give us a 1 in the numerator of our answer. 5 times 6 gives us 30 for the denominator of our answer. And this original complex fraction, 2/5 over 12, can be simplified as being equal to 1/30.